Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if power button not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, just try another way. So just scroll down, just find here, up, just find here accessibility, and in the accessibility you need to find touch, and just tap on accessibility touch, just turn on, and now you can see here this option, it appear this white, and also just now tap on device, and here you will see lock screen. So from here you can also use your power button for lock your screen. So here you can see that even you can also just go back to home screen, and everywhere you will see this white. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.